In this video, we will talk about Roman Classical Mansion by DSK Architect, architecture and interior, so make sure to watch the full video. Roman classical architecture is a timeless design style characterized by grandeur, symmetry, and intricate detailing. Originating in ancient Rome, this architectural form features iconic elements such as columns, arches, and domes, reflecting both aesthetic beauty and structural innovation. The elegance of Roman classical design has influenced countless structures throughout history, resonating in contemporary architecture. DSK architects skillfully embrace these classical principles in their designs, particularly evident in the Roman classical mansion they created. This mansion serves as a harmonious blend of historical reverence and modern functionality, showcasing the enduring appeal and adaptability of classical architectural traditions in today's world. 1. Introduction to Roman classical architecture. Roman classical architecture has left an indelible mark on the world of design, characterized by its grandeur, symmetry, and an emphasis on form and function. Emerging during the Roman Empire, this architectural style is distinguished by its extensive use of columns, arches, domes, and intricate detailing, which not only served structural purposes but also conveyed power and sophistication. Influenced by earlier Greek architecture, Roman classical structures often exhibit a sense of balance and proportion, showcasing mastery in engineering and aesthetics. This introductory section will delve into the historical significance of Roman classical architecture, tracing its evolution from ancient temples and public buildings to the luxurious mansions of today. We will explore the timeless principles that define this style, illustrating how they resonate in contemporary architectural practices, particularly in the designs undertaken by DSK architects. 2. Design philosophy of DSK architects. DSK architects are known for their unique approach to design that harmonizes traditional aesthetics with modern functionality. Their design philosophy is rooted in the belief that architecture should not only be visually compelling but also serve the needs of its inhabitants. In the creation of the Roman classical mansion, DSK architects embrace the essence of classical forms while ensuring that every element contributes to a coherent living experience. This section will provide insight into the firm's commitment to contextual design, focusing on how they carefully consider the historical and cultural significance of classical architecture. By prioritizing sustainability and innovation, DSK architects aim to craft spaces that are not only beautiful but also practical for modern living. We will explore their methodologies, from initial conceptual sketches to the final execution, emphasizing their dedication to blending the old with the new seamlessly. 3. Site selection and contextual analysis. The selection of the site is a pivotal aspect of architectural design, influencing not just the aesthetics but also the functionality of a structure. For the Roman classical mansion, DSK architects undertook a comprehensive contextual analysis to ensure that the mansion resonates with its surroundings while reflecting the principles of classical architecture. This analysis considered the geographical features, climate conditions, and existing historical context, allowing the architects to optimize the mansion's orientation for natural light, views, and ventilation. The careful placement of the mansion within its environment not only enhances its visual impact but also fosters a sense of harmony with nature. This section will detail the site selection process, including the challenges and considerations involved in integrating the mansion into its landscape, and how this thoughtful approach contributes to the overall narrative of the building. 4. Exterior features of the mansion. The exterior of the Roman classical mansion is a striking manifestation of classical design principles, featuring a facade that commands attention and respect. Key architectural elements include grand columns, meticulously crafted cornices, and decorative friezes that evoke a sense of timeless elegance. DSK architects have selected durable materials such as natural stone, stucco, and brick, which not only enhance the mansion's aesthetic appeal but also ensure its longevity. This section will explore the specific exterior features that define the mansion, including the intricate details that showcase craftsmanship and artistry. By examining the interplay of light and shadow on the facade, as well as the harmonious proportions of the structure, we will illustrate how these elements work together to create a visual narrative that pays homage to the grandeur of Roman classical architecture. 5. Interior layout and spatial organization. The interior layout of the Roman classical mansion is meticulously designed to foster a sense of flow and connectivity while providing distinct areas for privacy and relaxation. DSK architects have crafted a floor plan that emphasizes open spaces while ensuring that each room serves a specific purpose. Grand entryways lead to expansive living areas, dining rooms, and entertaining spaces, all characterized by high ceilings and large windows that invite natural light. The use of symmetry in the arrangement of rooms not only reflects classical ideals but also enhances the overall harmony of the space. This section will delve into the thoughtful organization of interior spaces, discussing how each area is designed to meet the needs of modern living while honoring the traditions of classical architecture. By highlighting specific design choices, such as the flow between public and private spaces, we will illustrate how the interior layout enhances the experience of residing in the mansion. 6. Use of classical elements in interior design. The interior design of the Roman classical mansion is rich with classical elements that evoke a sense of history while providing a luxurious living environment. DSK architects have expertly integrated features such as ornate ceiling moldings, marble flooring, and elaborate staircases, which serve to elevate the overall aesthetic. Classical motifs, such as floral patterns and geometric shapes, are thoughtfully applied in decorative elements, including furnishings and textiles, creating a cohesive design language. This section will examine the specific classical elements used throughout the interior, highlighting how they contribute to the mansion's ambience and narrative. Additionally, we will discuss the role of color, texture, and materials in enhancing the classical theme, illustrating how these choices create a warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects the elegance of Roman architecture. 7. Landscaping and outdoor spaces. Landscaping is a critical component of the Roman classical mansion, providing a seamless transition between the built environment and nature. DSK architects have designed outdoor spaces that not only complement the mansion's architectural style but also create areas for leisure and reflection. Formal gardens, intricate pathways, and strategically placed water features evoke the grandeur of classical gardens while encouraging interaction with the natural surroundings. This section will explore the design of these outdoor spaces, discussing how they are inspired by historical precedents and modern landscaping principles. We will examine the use of plant selection, hardscaping materials, and landscape architecture techniques that contribute to a cohesive outdoor experience, enhancing the overall beauty and functionality of the property. 8. Sustainability and classical design. In the face of contemporary environmental challenges, DSK architects have taken significant strides to incorporate sustainability into the design of the Roman classical mansion. This commitment to eco-friendly practices is evident in their selection of sustainable materials, energy-efficient systems, and innovative landscaping solutions that minimize the mansion's ecological footprint. This section will discuss the various strategies employed to achieve sustainability without compromising the integrity of classical design. From passive solar design principles that optimize natural light and heating to the use of recycled materials, we will explore how DSK architects successfully merge modern environmental considerations with traditional aesthetics. This approach not only promotes responsible building practices but also sets a standard for future projects in the realm of classical architecture. 9. Modern amenities in a classical context. While the Roman classical mansion pays homage to historical architectural styles, it does not shy away from incorporating modern amenities that enhance the quality of life for its residents. DSK architects have seamlessly integrated contemporary technologies, such as smart home systems, advanced security features, and energy-efficient appliances, into the design, ensuring that the mansion meets the demands of modern living. This section will highlight specific examples of these amenities, discussing how they are thoughtfully incorporated into the classical framework. By balancing modern functionality with traditional elegance, DSK architects create a living environment that is both luxurious and practical, demonstrating that classical architecture can coexist with contemporary innovations. 10. Conclusion and future implications. The Roman classical mansion designed by DSK architects stands as a remarkable example of how classical architectural principles can be reinterpreted for modern living. This concluding section will reflect on the mansion's significance within the context of contemporary architecture and its potential influence on future design trends. As we consider the successful integration of traditional aesthetics with modern functionality, we will explore how this project may inspire architects and designers to pursue similar paths that honor historical styles while embracing innovation. The discussion will encompass the broader implications of such designs on cultural heritage preservation and the ongoing dialogue between the past and the present in the field of architecture, ultimately underscoring the timeless appeal of classical design in an ever-evolving world. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.